elegant dish, I combine pan-seared salmon together with the most amazing Neapolitan cream sauce in a pasta. It's a comfort food that the whole family will love. And here's my pan-seared salmon pasta. Started with a pan with olive oil and a tablespoon of chopped yellow onions. Saute it until it's translucent. Then the fresh cherry tomatoes. Saute it until the cherry tomatoes release its lovely juice. Then add on the salmon fillet. Season some salt and pepper for a lovely taste. And add on the tomato puree. Simmer it for a while, and then you add on some couple amounts of water. And then a pinch of dried oregano makes my sauce flavorful, delicious, and full of aroma. Lower down the heat before you add on the choice of your pasta. Give them a little toast and your pasta is ready. With a great fish salmon to cook with. It's flavorful, flaky, and packed with omega-3 fatty acids. It's super easy dish. It's pretty delicious and it's definitely yummy. And that's about it for today's recipe, everyone. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again soon, but please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe buttons and hit notification bells for more updates. This is Paul Cook TV signing off again and saying bye bye.